Hello, my name is Vishwas Sawad and I'm an inspirational speaker, transformational mentor and success strategist. I started my life as a slum boy in the slums of city of Pune in Western India. My parents could not afford many luxurious amenities to me. But my parents always acted as a teacher and a mentor to me to shape up my life from a slum boy to a scientist, science diplomat, and now as an inspirational speaker, transformational mentor, and a success strategist. Throughout this journey, both my parents, my teachers, and some of my peers have always shared good values, success principles with me in a way that I can understand them and implement them. And over the years, as I have marched ahead with achieving many more milestones, I realized that greater is one's understanding of the success principles. Magnanimous will be one's success. And therefore, I have made a conscious choice to enter into arena of being a success strategist, transformational mentor, and inspirational speaker. In my new avatar, I always get invited by major corporations, major academic institutions, governmental organizations to come and share the success principles, strategies, and tips with them. But I have quickly realized that a larger part of the society which is not able to afford success coaches is void of the experiences that the success gurus can share with them. I was once part of that larger community which cannot afford to hire the inspirational speakers and a success coach. And therefore, as my gratitude to that larger community, which has helped me to raise from a slum boy to a science diplomat, and now in this new avatar, and also as part of my citizens' social responsibility and corporate social responsibility, I have decided to offer one day of my services each week as a gratis contribution to the educational institutions, research institutions, social services organizations, non-governmental organizations, communities which are below the poverty line or which have no other means to hire the success coaches and pay the humongous fees to them. I have decided to offer my services to them one day per week, 4 days in a month and 48 days in a calendar year. As inspirational speaker, success strategies and transformational mentor, I speak on variety of topics. The topics that I covered are called inspired series of talks. Inspired learning, inspired living, inspired relationship, inspired entrepreneurship, inspired mentoring, inspired teaching, inspired governance, inspired politics, inspired ecological maintenance, and many others. The theme of my inspired series of talks is that we all have equal potential to succeed in life. But as we go on succeeding in life, we have equal sense of responsibility to let others succeed and flourish in life. And therefore, through the inspired series of talks, I share the spiritual principles of becoming successful in your given area, in your given ambition and mission in your life. In addition to the inspired series of talks, I also offer a day-long courses on different aspects and topics that we touched upon. This particular video call is to appeal all those economically weaker sections of the society, non-governmental organizational, educational institutions, communities from remotest part of our world to pitch in if they would like to make use of the offerings that I am sharing with you. Click below, send your details, give me some ideas as to topics that you would like me to come and speak and share my experiences and tips with you. And it will be my endeavor to fit in as many opportunities as I can in different parts of the world. So what you receive from me is my time as a gratis, as an gratitude towards the community of which once have built me, from a slum boy to a science diplomat, and now to in my new avatar of inspirational speaker. So click below, leave your details, and someone from my team will get back to you soon. Let's start our journey of being successful, of being inspirational, and of being useful to the society at large together. Welcome to the world of Vishwa Sutras.